Hey everyone, welcome back to the Worklingo Podcast, your English podcast for workplace English, real office conversations, and easy listening practice for beginners. This is the place where you learn simple English for real work situations, without stress and without complicated grammar. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike.
So Mike, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. A little excited, actually,
Oh, why excited?
because today's topic is something many people remember very clearly: your first day at work.
Ah, yes, the first day. Exciting and scary.
Exactly. And if that first day is in English, it can feel even more stressful.
That's true. Many learners tell us, I know English, but on my first day, my mind goes blank.
Yes, suddenly you forget everything.
So today, we're going to help you with that. We'll talk about what to say on your first day at work in English step by step using simple conversations. And don't worry, we'll go slow. You can listen, relax, and learn. Before we start, a small favor. If you enjoy Work Lingo, please like this episode, subscribe, and share it with someone who is starting a new job soon. Okay, let's begin.
Sarah, let me ask you something. What usually happens on the first day at work?
Good question. On the first day, you usually meet new people, introduce yourself, learn where things are, and listen a lot.
Yes, and you don't need to know everything.
Exactly. Your first day is not about being perfect. It's about being polite, friendly, and open to learning.
That's very important.
Think of your first day like your first day at a new school.
Ah, that's a good picture.
You don't know all the rules yet, and that's okay. Let's imagine this. It's your first day. You walk into the office. What is the first thing you usually say?
You greet people.
Yes, greeting is very important. You can use some simple phrases like, Hi, good morning. You can also add a smile.
A smile is universal language.
Exactly. If someone says, Good morning, how are you? You can answer by saying, I'm good, thank you. Or, I'm doing well, thanks. Short answers are perfect.
Now comes a very important moment: introducing yourself.
Yes, many beginners feel nervous here. Mike, how would you introduce yourself on your first day?
I might say, Hi, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. You can also add, I'm new here, or today is my first day. For example, Hi, I'm Sarah. Today is my first day. Nice to meet you.
That sounds friendly and clear.
Yes, and remember, you don't need a long introduction. Simple is professional.
Sometimes people ask, What do you do? Or, What's your role?
Yes, this is very common. You can answer with a simple sentence. I work in marketing, or I'm a designer. Or you can say, I'm part of the sales team.
That's easy to remember.
If you don't know how to explain yet, you can say, I'm still learning, but I'll be working on reports.
That's honest and polite. Sarah, do you remember your first day at work?
Oh, yes, very clearly.
Tell us.
On my first day, I was very quiet. I understood maybe 60% of what people said.
That's normal.
Yes, but I was afraid to ask questions. I just smiled and nodded. At the end of the day, I was exhausted because pretending to understand is very tiring.
Exactly.
So the next day, I decided to change one thing.
What did you do?
I started saying one simple sentence. Sorry, I'm new. Could you say that again? And people were very kind.
That's an important lesson. Most people want to help. They just don't know you need help unless you ask. Let's talk about asking questions.
This is very important on your first day. Good questions you can ask are, could you help me with this? Where is the restroom? Or, who should I talk to about this?
These are simple and polite.
And if you don't understand something, you can say, sorry, I didn't understand. Or, could you explain that again, please? Remember, asking questions is not a problem.
Not asking questions can become a problem later.
Exactly.
On your first day, someone might give you a task.
Yes, and you don't need to sound fancy. You can say, okay, I understand, or I'll try. And if you're not sure, say, can you show me how to do this? That sentence can save you a lot of stress.
At the end of the first day, what do you say?
You can keep it simple and say, "Thanks for your help today," or "See you tomorrow." These small sentences leave a good impression.
Yes, first impressions matter.
That remember, you don't need to impress people with big words. You impress people by being polite and willing to learn.
Let's give some simple tips.
Tip 1, listen more than you speak. That's okay on your first day. Tip 2, use simple sentences. Simple is clear. Tip 3, ask questions. People expect questions from someone new. Tip 4, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Tip 5, be kind to yourself. Your first day is just the beginning. Before we finish, let's give you a small challenge. Choose one sentence from today's episode and practice it. For example, "Hi, I'm new here. Could you help me with this? Today is my first day." Say it out loud. Say it slowly. Your mouth needs practice, not just your ears.
Let's recap quickly. On your first day at work in English, greet people politely, introduce yourself simply, ask questions when needed. Don't worry about being perfect.
Yes, confidence comes later. First comes clarity and kindness.
Thank you for spending this time with us. You didn't waste it. You invested it in your future at work. This was the Worklingo Podcast with Mike and Sarah. If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's starting a new job soon. Until next time, speak simply, work confidently, and be kind to yourself. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Take care.